Hi, this is Sasy Scarborough of sasyscarborough.com. Today I wanted to talk to you about Izzie's Bakes on Mesh Nose Fix. These are tattoo layers to fix any issues that your system layer Bakes on Mesh skins may have around the nose area, depending on the heads that you wear. When Bakes on Mesh was a whisper, everybody went running to try different skins. The first skin that I wanted to try was the Lana skin by Glance. I was obsessed with this skin when it was new. I wore it for a really long time. I loved it and I missed it. When I put it on, it pulls up in the nostrils here on my Lelutka heads, and I was disappointed. It's got nothing to do with the heads though. I knew in advance of Bakes on Mesh going live that this was going to be something that we had to take into consideration. But Izzie Button coming through again. I feel like I sort of have to make a fan site page on my blog at this point. She has created these fixes, Lelutka Lac, Genis and Katwa. They have 15 tones starting from 01, which is white, to 15, which is very, very dark. So let me just show you what they look like. So this is the one being white, so you would use that for all of your fantasy baked skins. And this is the 15, which is very dark. And then you've got everything in between, varying from yellow to red based tones, which is wonderful. There's a really good range in there. Now, I've tried this a few times now, so I know straight off that Fix 04 is the one that I would need for this skin tone. You want to go lighter than the skin tone so that you can move a little bit with your tinting. So this is how it looks with it on. So you can see straight away it's already fixed anything that would be an issue. Then I'm going to edit. I believe right click and edit is the same on all viewers, or into appearance mode, and then you choose, but this is how I do it in Firestorm. Then I press the color tint swatch to open up the color picker here. Skins generally work in this area of the color picker, depending on if they're fantasy based or not. Click somewhere. It's already up the white, so it's not going to show, but if you move the slider down, you'll see it gets darker or lighter. This is tending more towards the yellow. It's very slight. It's in between the yellow and the orange, but a bit desaturated. But that's kind of like what this skin is. I've pretty much nailed that first go. Like I said, I've done it a few times now, so I sort of know where to click. But if you had a more tan skin, or something along this line here, you can see you can move it around, change it slightly as needed. So I could also go with that. It's a little different, but down here works up a bit. It's going a bit more purple, but you get the gist. So pull away a little bit so you can see what it's going to look like further away to other people. I use NAM's Optimal Skin and Prim as my Winlight default. So I would press OK, and now, like I do with anything that is layers, shapes especially, instead of saving up here, I do a save as. That gives me a brand new layer. I'm going to keep all of the original work, except I'm going to highlight the part that says new, and I'm going to type in Glance, Lana, Medium, and I'm going to press OK, then close it here, close that out, and then you'll see it's giving me a brand new layer up the top. So I haven't lost my original 4 that way, and I've got the version here, which I can always copy and paste that into my skin folder with the Glance skin. So Izzie's has saved the day again. If you did try all your skins on and found that that was the case with the mesh heads that you wear, I suggest going back and trying them again with these nose fixes. They're very handy to have. They're inexpensive because it's Izzie's, and it's just saved me from losing this skin. I'll put my other layers back on, and I am overjoyed to be able to use this skin again. So thank you very much, Izzie Button. Now about Shop and Hop again. With Shop and Hop, I did some shopping at Magika Hair. Now, as I mentioned in the last post, all the booths at Shop and Hop have a gift, and the gift at Shop and Hop for Magika was this stunning hair with snow sprinkled all over it, which worked out fantastic because in the Izzie store at Shop and Hop, she has the first snow makeup sets that include bomb layers, and she's got them for all different heads. And I just wanted to show you, so we've got the lip tint, which I can sort of see myself wearing this all the time because I just really like it. It's so cute. Look at that. It's very 80s pearl pink shimmer lipstick that we all used to wear. Then you've got some blush. Which is just adorable and gives you that reddish tint because obviously it's cold. Then you've got some eyeshadow, which is just gorgeous as well. Very, very frozen. And then you've got the Snow Less or Snow More, which ties in perfectly with the hair. Look at that. It's just adorable. I did get some other hairstyles from Magika as well while I was there, so let me just show you what I grabbed. So as I said, this one here was a gift, and it's beautiful, and it still has all the colors available in the HUD, so it's not just black, that's just me. Then we have the Phoebe hairstyle, which is this buns hairstyle, which is just so cute. And you have the HUD, which gives you a shorter hair version, so it comes up just above the chest, which works really well depending on your chest size. Longer hair, larger chest. Then she has, since I did that big Magika post, added so many more colors and roots and multi-tones to her HUD. So if you have past purchases, go back, check redelivery, see if you've got that update. So this is Phoebe. It's just adorable. Aria is another style from Magika. I really like this. This is actually the hairstyle with the snow, without the snow. So if you love the gift, then you want to run and back and buy the Aria. Especially seeing as it's reduced. As I said, everything at Shop and Hop is reduced. The colors, of course, as I mentioned, everything's just increased and they're just beautiful. There's my black, matches the hair base that I've got on, that's also from Izzie's. But if you like sort of a darker root sort of look, they've all been updated. Everything just looks gorgeous. Yeah, so Aria is wonderful. I would live in this hair, so so make sure you grab that while you can at the reduced price. Sierra is the style that I was wearing at the beginning of the post, and I just really like that it's, you know, it's a high ponytail, but it's very loose. It's not a very severe to the scalp sort of style. So it also comes resizable because it's not rigged in that version, because it doesn't need to be, because it's above the shoulders, and the bangs are just awesome. Also at Izzie's Shop and Hop booth, you will actually find a lot of her previously released stockings, tights, leggings, that kind of thing, now with system layers as well if they didn't previously have them, so check those out. And you will find these chevron tights, which are just really beautiful. I'm going to go with the dark red, keep the red and black story alive. Adding the tattoo layer. Now Bakes on Mesh wraps around each individual toe because that's how it's trained. It doesn't know any better. We won't hold it against it. If they were opaquely full without the holes, you could actually use the opaque button on the Redux SLink physique system. So it makes sort of a fake foot stocking shape, and it's really cool. Or you can go with the sheer option, which creates a little toe cap, and then you can take that little toe cap and you can add your own tint to it to match up, and there you've got your own realistic looking stocking. So that's really cool. I really like those chevron tights. I like this outfit combination. The outfit's actually, I look so stiff. Okay, so I really like this combination. It's a bit of Miss Chelsea, a little bit of Izzie's. These poses are being ridiculous. Okay, so I need to get my alpha long sleeved there. But anyway, there we go. Now I look somewhat normal. Okay, so this is a skirt, a separate skirt and a sweater set from Miss Chelsea. There's also a hat that matches, which I was so excited to see. The shirt actually comes with options. In the shirt options, you've got these chambres, and you've got these plaids, and then you've got this really innocent looking floral and a very cute white. So these are just great. It's the sweater that just keeps on giving. I really like it. And I love it with the leggings or the stockings from Izzie's. So that's more than I expected to talk about, but again, there's more shop and hop. Everything is reduced during shop and hop, and there's a gift in every booth, so make sure you get over there. You've got until January the 6th, and as I mentioned, it'll be great for sending some presents next week at Christmas time, Hanukkah, anything, whichever thing you celebrate. You could just be celebrating shopping. I can't fault you for that. I'm Sasy Scarborough. Have a lovely day.